I accidentally shut the video off, but this is a continuation to keeping here clean. My pickup stuff, you know, these are socks I don't use. My dog, I give it to my dog. You know, he played with them. You know, I put them together, and he played with them like a little ball and stuff. So I don't use these socks anymore, and it's okay. It's okay if he play with them. Yeah, I just noticed I was standing too close to the camera. I'm going to be mopping, get this area sanitized, cleaned up. I just put them together like a little ball, and he'll take them and toss them around in the air and play with them because he chews up everything. Everything he chew up. Buy him toys, buy him balls, and he just chews up everything. So, everything he chew, we replace it for him. He chew it up again. So, I'm about to mop. Keep in here smelling good. Smelling good, and I just like a clean, smelling good house. And my pup, I hear him walking, so I guess he's gonna come and join me. His nails need clipping. When my son comes, we have to, you know, clip his nails. Watch it at night. And this cleaner is very safe around animals. It shouldn't harm the animals. Natural ingredients. So midnight. Oh, okay. Making sure Midnight don't get in trouble for things he shouldn't be in. Get this floor mopped up. I don't know why it was, blurry.